Hello, my friends. Today I have a tale of ingenuity, organization, and one humble household item that revolutionized the way we store our beloved footwear. Yes, my friends, I'm talking about none other than the shoe rack. Sit back, relax, and allow me to regale you with the fascinating history of this everyday hero. Once upon a time, in a world not too far from our own, people faced a common dilemma: the dreaded shoe pileup. Picture this: a doorway blocked by a towering mound of shoes, each one clamoring for attention like actors on a crowded stage. A chaotic scene, to say the least. Our story takes us back to the early 19th century, when shoe fashion was booming, and the shoe pileup problem was reaching critical levels. In the midst of this disorderly scene, a brilliant mind had a eureka moment. It was none other than Samuel Solestrapper, a cobbler with a knack for invention. One day, as he gazed upon the clutter in his own home, Samuel realized that the solution lay in the very materials he worked with every day: wood and leather. He sketched out his idea on a piece of parchment, the blueprint for what would become the world's first shoe rack. Samuel Solestrapper set to work with the fervor of a mad scientist, fashioning a wooden frame with carefully measured slots to accommodate each pair of shoes. He added leather straps to secure the footwear in place, ensuring that even the fanciest of shoes could find a home on his creation. After countless hours of labor, Samuel proudly unveiled his masterpiece to friends and family. The shoe rack was an instant hit. No longer did people have to navigate the treacherous shoe pile. Instead, they could elegantly display their footwear for all to see. Word of Samuel's ingenious invention spread like wildfire, and soon, shoe racks became a must-have household item across the land. Cobblers and craftsmen alike began to produce their versions, each one more ornate than the last. From the humble beginnings of Samuel's shoe rack, an industry was born. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves in a world filled with shoe racks of all shapes and sizes. From the simplest wall-mounted designs to extravagant rotating shoe closets worthy of a Hollywood star, the shoe rack has come a long way. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a statement of style and organization. There you have it, dear friends, the delightful tale of the invention and origins of the shoe rack. Thanks to the brilliance of Samuel Solestrapper, our homes are now free from the chaos of shoe pileups, and our precious footwear can bask in the glory of proper display. The next time you slide your favorite pair onto a shoe rack, remember the legacy of one man's quest to bring order to the world of shoes. Long live the shoe rack!